Hey guys, welcome back to Dwood Reviews. If you're like me being a man, especially an aging man now in my 40s, you're starting to look into using some lotion for your aging, dried out skin. I highly recommend and like this Sol de Janeiro brand of, it's called Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. Don't let the name scare you off. It's not just meant for women. If you like videos like this, go ahead and click that subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything, but helps me out a lot. What I like about this is that it goes on and doesn't leave that slick film on your skin and absorbs in quickly. Doesn't leave your hands all lotion feeling and slick that most men do not like, and one reason they don't wear lotion. What's good about this is you don't need but just a little bit and rub it in quickly and it absorbs right in. Just like that, there's nothing on my hand and nothing left on my skin. This Sol de Janeiro lotion is fast absorbing, has deep hydration, and can visibly tighten your skin and help with skin damage. If you'd like to pick up some for yourself, click that link in the description and get yourself some.